Well, we are going out on a boat. We're going into the Potomac River. We got everybody here. And our captain, I'm waiting for our captain. Oh, there's the captain. He's coming. Grandpa John is the captain. Come on, captain. Say hi to the video.
Hi, video.
And they're fogging up because of the humidity.
Yeah. You going boating with us?
Yes, they're going boating. We're going to take them to show them some nice scenery. How about that? They just redid their boat pretty much from the ground.
Pretty much. Everything from the aluminum tubes up.
Yeah. So they got a pontoon boat.
We put the original railings back on it, but everything else is replaced. The wood, the carpeting, the controls, the motor, the seats.
Is my car in the way? I'm good. Okay.
Scratch.
Yeah, I was going to say, go ahead. It's paid off now. So, yep, we are headed to the beach. Looks like a little bit of rip current over there. It's weird looking. Ooh, jellyfish. Those things will sting you. Where? Right there, underneath your boat now. The boat does look really nice. So you redid the floor. You got new seats, right? You didn't.
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
I'm so strong I can move the boat by myself.
Oh, look how strong you are, Ben.
I know, it's floating away, guys. We're going for
Here we go. We got our captain. Where are we going, captain?
Where do you want to go?
Whatever way you want to go. It looks like there's like nobody out here today. There's nobody on the river at all. It's so gorgeous. Beautiful weather too. My goodness.
Downriver, people fun. I didn't know.
Oh, I don't care either way. Right, Ben, you ready? Okay, are we in a no wait zone right now?
No, he's just
Getting everything ready. Getting all the gears ready.
they're the ones that like the speed here.
I don't care.
It's like glass. It looks like glass. We got a new captain. He's turned over the wheel. He's done for the day. Look, it's a shift change. What is that called? Tow boat? Oh, okay, that's a towing service.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Oh, he's waving too. All right, Ben and Grandma are putting their feet in the water, and Ben is scared to death of jellyfish. He's had a little PTSD because when we were at Oak Island one year, yeah, but that jellyfish that got you at Oak Island, that was a bad one. He got, oh, it tore his leg up. So, anyways, we are just still cruising along. We are at Seabreeze. Seabreeze. It sounds like they're jamming for a.
Man on the sofa?
Come on.
Wasn't me.
We're tied up. Gonna go have a couple drinks and maybe an appetizer.
Mozzarella sticks.
I know.
Wings, pizza, Domino's. I don't know. That's not food.
Okay, that's not food.
I was close.
Cut the lights on.
Anyway, so we are here, stopped for a little pit stop.
Does it matter?
Of course, it's not weekend. When it's Ben is goofy. Go, Ben. Dance it. Oh, wow.
Cut that out. Sorry about that.
The maiden voyage has returned. Anyways, I want to see how warm the water is. Look at all of the jellyfish. Ben, There's a lot of jellyfish like in this one little area. I don't want to get like stung. Ooh, here we go. Ooh, it's actually kind of chilly here. Watch, there's a bunch of jellyfish right up at the front. See them?
Pick one up.
You gotta grab it by the head, yes.
I wouldn't try that.
No, if he grabs it by the head, but those are really small, Ben.
I wouldn't, Ben.
Here, I'll find one. You can totally grab it by the head and it's not gonna sting you. I don't know, there's not really a lot of jellyfish, but there's some. When we were out there was quite a bit. And I just dropped my phone in the water. Ooh, the sun is shining right in my eyes. That was so much fun. We ended up going to like a little tiki bar that was called Sea Breeze. But our captain did a great job. Kudos to the captain. John, that boat is amazing now. Seriously.
That nice now?
Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, we've been on it when it had like a different motor. It had like, I mean, everything was just built up from the ground up. They did an amazing job. It was so much fun.
New plywood, new carpeting.
Yep.
New screws, new seats, new motor.
And Rose said you saved like $13,000.
Oh yes.
Easily, yeah.
Easily.
Building it yourself. So, good thing you're a handyman. Because
new fuel tanks, new fuel lines, new controls, everything.
Mm-hmm. That was a good time. Hopefully we'll go out tomorrow and do a little bit of fishing. I don't know. We'll have to see. I mean, it's so hot right now. I don't know what's biting. Like, usually you gotta... Well, maybe we could go up into some coves or something like that. We'll see. But
What you do when you're fishing is you spin the boat so that the mini puts shade on you.
that's right. Yeah, for sure. It was nice, though. Either way, hey, there's no bad time out on the boat, really, if you think about it. So, Grandma and Grandpa have a little pool. We're getting ready to get in, feel what it feels like. Should be nice, but we're back. Blake's helping unload the boat. Thanks, Blake. Got a little gazebo action, keeping it cool. It's hot here for sure. All right, we're daring Ben to go jump in their pool.
The neighbor's
Okay,
pool.
do I do it fast or nonchalantly?
The other neighbor has a pool.
Make sure you go up their ladder, because
Yeah, go up the ladder. Don't like lean over the side. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Yeah, I do.
Wash your feet off.
Yeah, wash your feet off. Be polite, Ben. You gotta hurry, run. You're good. Oh my gosh. Ben's jumping in the neighbor's pool. Oh my god. Cannonball. He's so goofy. I'm waiting for... Does it feel good? Yeah.